team, let's wait to set off. Let's complete the tasks. Bridge construction. Whoosh concrete mixer. Mixer transformed. Super truck team, let's set off. Let's complete the task. Go, go, go. You're finally here, truck team. Come with me. A bridge needs to be built here to enable vehicles on both sides of the river to pass through quickly. Truck team, I'll count on you for this task. You can count on us. Super truck team, let's get to work. I am the excavator. You can leave the task of digging for bridge construction to me. Be sure to tighten the steel wire with the handle. The bridge pier is set up. I am the crane, and I will complete the task of lifting the bridge deck. Let's piece the bridge deck model together with steel bars first. Drag the lifting hook to the lift bridge deck for assembling.
I am the concrete mixer, and I will complete the task of mixing concrete. Let's concrete the bridge deck.
I'm the road roller. Let's compact the road to make it level. Use a marking machine to draw neat white lines on the bridge deck. Once the concrete is air-dried and solidified, pour white paint into the marking machine. Truck team,